Do you hate that your Italian still sounds like a little kid talking instead of confident adult? You know the words, you know the grammar, but when you speak everything comes out short, stiff, disconnected. That's not your level, that's your connectors. So in this video I'm going to show you 5 tiny words that instantly fix your flow, clear before and after examples on the screen, and one simple drill you can copy today. Coming up, perché, quindi, anche se, però, poi. Let's start. This alone can upgrade half of your speaking. What's the difference? Non esco, piove. It feels robotic, two separate thoughts. Non esco perché piove. Now it sounds like a real sentence, natural, complete. Let me give you another one. Studio italiano, voglio parlare meglio. Studio italiano perché voglio parlare meglio. The moment you add perché, your ideas stick together. You are no longer listing facts, you are explaining yourself. And once you can explain reasons, the next step is explaining consequences. So, look at this. Piove, resto a casa. Piove, quindi resto a casa. It's a tiny word, but it gives your Italian direction. Let me give you another example. Ho fame, preparo qualcosa. Ho fame, quindi preparo qualcosa. Now the listener understands the logic of what you are saying, not just what happens, but why it leads there. But real Italian isn't only logic, you also need to show effort, difficulty and honesty. So the next word is the one that makes you sound human. Look at this. Esco, sono stanco. Flat. Two facts, no feeling. Esco anche se sono stanco. Now there is context, emotion, real life. Let me give you another example. Parlo, faccio errori. Parlo anche se faccio errori. This is a huge confidence unlock for learners because you stop waiting to be perfect before you speak. And once you can show contrast and effort, Italians expect one more thing from you. This one you hear all day in Italy, and it's one of the fastest ways to sound more adult. Watch closely. Volevo uscire, resto a casa. It sounds like a list. Volevo uscire, però resto a casa. Now there is a choice, a little tension, a life happening. Let me give you another example. Studio italiano è difficile. Studio italiano, però è difficile. You are not just giving information anymore, you are letting the listener inside your head. Without però, people break everything into short sentences. With it, your Italian stays connected, even when it's not perfect. Now, let's fix the last piece, telling stories. Without this word, your Italian stays frozen on one frame. Sono uscito, ho preso un gelato. Sono uscito, poi ho preso un gelato. Let me give you another example. Studio, guardo una serie TV. Prima studio, poi guardo una serie TV. This is the rhythm Italians use constantly when they describe their day, simple actions, clean sequence, natural flow. Put these 5 words together and suddenly your Italian stops sounding like separate blocks and starts flowing like a single idea. Here is your drill for today. Record a 30-second story using all 5. If it sounds wooden, make the sentence simpler. If it flows, repeat it tomorrow. That's how you lock it in. Now, I've said a lot, but if you really want to learn Italian fast, if speaking still feels slow or awkward, watch this video next. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!